What's up, people? Welcome back. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for Beginners and Beyond. All right, we did take a look at firmware. Now let's take a look at channel and channel settings. For this experimentation, or for this example rather, I'm looking at a Belkin router. You will have to use the IP address to log in. For my situation is 192.168.2.1. In my initial setup, I left the password field blank. So where it says password, it's blank. Click submit. It will automatically check for firmware, which I am up to date. Now, something like this, I will tell you that this will be a test in experimentation in terms of what are the best settings, the best channel settings for your particular situation. It will depend on structure, interference from your structure, what kind of range you want, interference from your neighbors, and all that good stuff. But this is what seemed to have worked for me. Now, you should click more info. This will give you a list of definitions, glossary terms. You may want to take a look at this. This certainly could not hurt. All right, wireless channel, I have a choice of auto or channels 1 through 11. My extension channel, which is basically a secondary channel to help improve performance, I left it at channel 3. Wireless mode, I chose the greatest option, which is BGNN. Bandwidth 20/40 megahertz. Protected mode, I left it off, and QoS, I left that on. Click Apply Changes. Now, if you have a different router, the router may reboot, and it can take, I believe, up to 60 seconds. That is perfectly normal. So you try this, and this may or may not help increase the range of your router. Once again, this will be a test in experimentation. If you try the firmware and try this and it doesn't work, in next week's video, we'll take a look at placement of your router and what should be the best placement for your router. Usually on the roof, on the pole next to your antenna. No, I'm just kidding, but I think you get the picture. The highest point is usually the best when it comes to a router. All right, well, that's it for this one. If you haven't already, go ahead and vote for October's YouTuber, and also vote for the best Linux operating system of 2015, the best Linux distro of 2015. All links will be below in the show notes. Enjoy your technology, and please don't text and drive. Take care.